we will show you how to use our recording system to make a virtual video for teaching purpose. First, let's enter the virtual course main interface, and then you will see some screens here. And now you need to plug your USB, and we need to import some video resources from your external USB. Now we set one of the video as a background, and then we choose the green screen video as a figure to put in the background, to place in the background. You need to set the figure and to display it. And you'll see that the green screen is being keyed because we use the one-click cutout. And then if you want it to be more fluent, and you can enter the professional mode to make the perfect key. And all this video can be recorded. So you can change the layout, and we will check the whole video through the file manager.